guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making glam room decor. And this is going to be silver and crystal room decor. So what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event supplies, event lighting, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need two different glass candle holders or glass mini vases. So I've got two different shapes here. You can really use whatever shape you like. I've got like this slightly fluted shape here, and then I've got a little fishbowl shape here as well. What you're going to need from Walmart will be some peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And then I have some silver beaded necklaces. And there's 8 of these in one bundle, so you will need a pack of these from Walmart. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful glam room decor. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this silver and crystal decor piece turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make and super versatile. You could use this as a centerpiece. You could use it as a hurricane candle holder, a vase. There's just so many options. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.